Mga kabataang Pinoy na may tapang, talento at may makabagong ideya sa negosyo ang inaasahang gagawaran ng parangal sa idaraos na prestigious Asia CEO Awards. Umarangkada na ang nominasyon para sa nasabing pagbibigay parangal at magtatapos po ito sa August 15. Ang detalles report ni Mark De La Rosa.
Nagsimula na ang nominasyon para sa Asia CEO Awards, ang isa sa pinaka-prestiyosong pagkilala sa larangan ng negosyo sa bansa. Taon-taon kinikilala nito ang mga natatanging leader at organisasyon na nagsusulong ng innovation, sustainability at transformational leadership sa iba't ibang industriya sa Pilipinas.
The time has come. Philippines really is at the cusp of something big. It's projected to reach what they call upper middle income status over the next year or so. That's going to be big, and more companies from around the world will be looking to come here because of high growth and the high quality of the workforce.
Ngayong taon may 16 na award categories mula sa SME Company of the Year hanggang Young Entrepreneur of the Year. Lahat ay para kilalanin ang mga tunay na game changers sa business landscape. Tiwala sa kabataang Pilipino na may tapang, talento at makabagong ideya sa negosyo ang isa sa mga gagawaran ng parangal.
We're looking for the young Filipinos coming up with passion and drive and ability to create business and job opportunities and products that we can be very proud of. And we really hope to see that start in the Philippines.
Habang tungo sa pangangalaga sa kalikasan naman ang kikilalanin ng isang kumpanya.
So we're looking at green development, we're looking at doing green loans, we're pushing more for environmental awareness, companies to have a look at how they do their operations, how they do their businesses.
Samantala, isang parangal din ang ibibigay sa individual o kumpanya na may positibong ambag sa komunidad.
We're looking at actually as a company that is CSR focused, that aligns to our brand or to our values as well. It's a company that reinforcing sustainability and community welfare as well.
Ang deadline ng pagsusumite ng nominasyon ay hanggang August 15 at gaganapin naman ang parangal sa darating na October 14, 2025.
If you are doing something interesting, exciting, that's of interest to the nation and really shows it off, the judges want to hear about it. There's no cost. This is real. We've got impressive judges who have a lot at stake of their own credibility in how they judge the awards, and they want the best that Philippines has.
Mark De La Rosa, para sa mata ng Agila International. Trusted, connected, on point.